The vision for the Advanced Leadership Program in health sector really was born out of a recognition of the deep and rich and unique expertise we have here at Duke University, specifically within not just the School of Medicine, but equally so within the School of Business as well.
Our vision really is to increase the relationship between the School of Medicine faculty and members of the health sector, because that relationship is really important to the efficiency of our work clinically. And also research-wise, there's tons of work to be done with wearables, AI, like patient education. I think our vision is to provide a course that sort of introduces leaders of the health sector to all these innovative things that are going on the med school campus that can inform their work in the health sector, and then vice versa, for them to inform us about stuff they're thinking about and working on, so that we can use that, sort of work together and have better ideas for research and future innovations.
The Advanced Leadership Program in health sector is a multi-module, multi-modal program. It spans a duration of about 8 months, and the first and third modules operate live online. And so roughly every week, there's a 2-hour session live with a faculty member and the rest of the cohort going into a particular topic. In between those, modules 2 and then module 4, the concluding module, are intensive 1-week experiences here on campus at Duke University, where participants will have the opportunity to spend a lot of time here at the business school, but opportunities to go up and see the School of Medicine as well and interact with faculty from all of these various disciplinary areas.
One of the things that we've talked about for the course with the faculty is the idea that they bring problems that they've either have currently or have had in the past. Because when you're working in these spaces, it's very cutting edge. There are times when you don't know the answer or when things are not clear, right? And so getting an idea of how our faculty work through a problem, or what problems they ran into and how they solved them or advanced the issue, I think will be a great part of the course. So not just like, this is AI and here's what we're doing, but instead like, we tried to do this happened, let's talk about how we solved that problem and what are some other creative ways we could solve it.
So the fact that this program is delivered in partnership between the School of Business and the School of Medicine here at Duke means we are bringing the minds together that overlap these areas between healthcare and health sector to deliver the information and content and insights and knowledge and applicable practice that will allow the participants to then go back out into their organizations and have the impact and influence that they need to drive new strategy, drive new growth, and realize new opportunities in the industry.